Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can build business credit with a Wells Fargo secured business credit card. So let's jump right in if you're aiming to build or strengthen your business credit. One of the most reliable starting points is the Wells Fargo secured business credit card. This card is designed specifically for newer businesses or those with limited credit history, and it requires a refundable security deposit that sets your credit limit anywhere from $500 up to $25,000. After opening your account, the key is to use the card wisely. Make small, regular purchases and pay off your balance in full each billing cycle. Doing so helps create a strong payment record, which is a crucial factor in developing healthy business credit. It's also important to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your total limit, to show lenders that your business handles credit responsibly. One of the major advantages of this card is that Wells Fargo reports your activity to the major business credit bureaus, including Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Experian Business. This reporting plays a big role in helping you establish a solid credit profile over time. To further support your credit building journey, ensure your business is officially registered as an LLC or corporation, maintain an active business bank account, and use your EIN when applying for financing or services. With consistent, responsible use, you may eventually qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured business credit card with higher limits and additional benefits. In short, using the Wells Fargo secured business credit card strategically can be a powerful step toward building long-term financial credibility for your business.